Okay, today we have 3D maps elevated on box mobility. So at home, if you have a Reebok step or something that can elevate you some, that's great. You could use a stair on a staircase at home. So we're going to take you through the 6 basic motions, but you're going to do them by stepping down off of a box or a step. Okay? So the first motion is you're going to step forward off the box, but bring your hands up over your head as you do. There you go, so just land onto that ground. Now, obviously this is a different motion than if you were flat on the ground. One, because of the box, your hip's going to have to elevate more and laterally flex to get you down. And 2, you have to decelerate a little bit more mass and momentum to get down there. Great. Let's move on. The second move is you're going to step backwards off the box or the step and bring your hands down as you do, watching your hands as you go. So you can see I've stepped down, I've let my back load, and I swing my arms as I go. Step 3 is you're going to step laterally and bring your hands opposite side over your head. So the base move is here, and then I'm going to add my hands. So hands up here. So if I were to go the other way, perfect. The fourth move is I'm going to step across in front of my foot to drive my hip in the other direction sideways. So you might want to move to the end of the box and then come across. Or if I was standing this way on a stair, okay? And then again, my hands are going to go opposite. And the other way. Great, so you've done the first 4 of the 6 moves. Front to back, both ways, side to side. Now is rotation. So we're going to want to rotate this hip. The way we're going to do it, I advise you to stand sideways on your step and then just take this lead foot and open it up so that it points straight. That's going to take this hip and rotate it around. And take these hands and drive them in the same direction as the stepping foot. And we'll turn the other way. Perfect. So one move left, we have to create internal rotation of the hip. We just created external. So my suggestion is stand forward on your box, and as you step down, you're going to rotate the stepping foot around with that hooking motion. Okay, so instead of having it step straight, once you rotate it around, you're going to take this hip on the box and you're going to drive it into what we call internal rotation. And take your hands and bring them to. Same direction as the stepping leg. We'll switch to the other side. So again, the baseline motion is hook my foot, and I'll bring my hands with me. Perfect. There you go. So do it for the prescribed number of reps. Remember, how high the box is going to determine really how much load and mass momentum you have to decelerate. So don't start very high. Again, just a step at home, the bottom step, or a step like this would be great. Also, make sure whatever you're on is going to slide underneath you. And find your success point. Nice and easy. Think of it as a motion for yourself.